Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to another one of my maintenance slash upgrade slash repair kind of shows here on YouTube, courtesy of me, Adventure Link. That's me! Today we're going to be working on the old Yoda, the 97 Camry, 2.2 liter 5S-FE engine. Made it to the Ace & Warner A140E automatic transmission. So recently, and by recently I mean say within the last 2-3 weeks at the time this video was filmed and put on YouTube, my future wifey managed to get herself a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It's got fast charging in it, just like my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I figured, why not give this old Yoda a 21st century upgrade? And we're going to do just that. It's this dual quick charger here. It's from Yonhan. Not a sponsor, as Eric O would say. But this is just what I use. I'm sure there's plenty of other things like this where you can hardwire. Neat little instructions in the back if you're not going to use my methods of installing this in your Camry. Or if you're going to install this, in your own vehicle or whatever. Here's the X00 number on Amazon where you can find this little fast charger here. So, yeah, we're going to have some fun and give this car one of what I hope to be many 21st century upgrades. So as Voltar would say, you better sit back, strap on. And yes, I am strapped on, so I don't get a ticket. All the same, y'all need to prepare yourselves for the installation of this dual quick charger by Yonhan. Let's do it. First thing we'll do is remove the cigarette ashtray. Push it out, push down, pull out, boom. So pop off your center console here. It's held in by clips. Basically use this flathead screwdriver to pop it out. Be careful so you don't break anything. Alternatively, you can use a panel remover to get all this popped out. Be very careful. At some point you may have to remove your gear shifter back to the L. No big deal. Put your vehicle in run. And you should be able to pop the rest of this off from here. Now you need to remove this electrical connector. It's the white one. Push underneath. Squeeze out. Boom. As Tarad's Cool would say, boom. Tabs right there. You can also feel free to put your vehicle back in park. Now the next thing you want to do is remove this electrical connector that goes to the cigarette lighter. Just pop out. Just slides right on out. Boom. Now there's a couple tabs here. Just push one up. Push the other up. Slide this housing off. Boom. Okay, so to free the power adapter from the console piece here, there's two tabs. One here. Normally there would be another one just like it on the other side. I just push down with a flathead screwdriver. Push down on this, push in, push out. Push down on the other side, push it out. Boom. The electrical connector on top that would normally be on top, I just broke it off because I have no plans on going back to stock. So it is what it is. I have no plans to go back to stock, so yeah. Alrighty, now I got my quick charge module in place, as you can see. First I had to use two hands to get it in. It was a tight fit, but I still got it in. And I still got it screwed down in the back all the same. If I could, turn it over. Boom, there it is. Basically, I just had to use my thumb over this protective piece, use it in as a press. If it doesn't go in, just, keep pressing down on it. You're just pressing down on plastic and all that. If you wanted to, you could drill this out slightly bigger, but I managed to get it in nice and tight like this. And by the way, if you ever install it like crooked or not straight, you can always pop it back out, spin it around some, try again, and pop it in straight like so. Got everything in here. Just so you know, that black with the pink on it is positive. The white with the black stripe is negative. Just so you know, you should be getting 12 volts out of this with the vehicle. And run, same as always. Okay, now I gotta do some cutting. Just so you know, these are rigged by default. Where you can connect this directly to a battery, but not always in practice is that the case, just like here. So with that being said, we're going to have to cut off these ring terminals. You're also going to have to cut off that electrical connector as well, and you'll have to solder this based upon positive and negative. Again, your pink wire with the black stripe, that's positive. Your white wire with the black stripe is negative. After you got everything soldered plus to minus, keep in mind that there are plus and minus marks on the back of the plug for you, just so you know I'm facing the negative one. So logic of reasoning would say that the other side is positive. There it is, positive. Positive, negative. Is everything working correctly? It should read out battery voltage, which says 11.9, so I better start this thing up real fast. And it still fires! And now I get 14.1 volts. So yeah, we're cool. We cool. All I gotta do is bum a lighter or a heat gun or a hairdryer or something so I can, put these heat shrink tubes on, pack everything up, button everything up, and now you know how to install this dual USB charger socket. So let's just wrap this up. So modifying my car's electrical system, I've had it on here for about a day or so at the time I filmed this part of the ending. So far nothing's blown up or nothing like that. The future wifey connected it to her phone. It's got fast charging. We're good. As long as the future wifey is happy, I'm happy too. And if nothing else, this at least gave you guys some extra content. That way you can install one of these in your own car or your own Camry or whatever is your case. So with that being said, I'm Adventure Link. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, past, present, and future. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, praise, criticisms, well wishes, etc., please take them down to the YouTube comments box down below. In addition to leaving your comments down in the YouTube comments below this video, be sure to rate, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and other Toyota Camry owners from 97 to 01. Do that because it helps me make a living here on YouTube, gets my word out, helps out a lot of people, and it lets YouTube and myself know if I'm doing a good job or not, and I'm not making crappy videos. Speaking of videos, if you all want to never miss another video from me again, you gotta ring that bell! Got any questions about 3rd and 4th gen Toyota Camrys as a whole? Please check out the 3rd and 4th gen Camry crew. That's KREW. It's on Facebook. Additionally, you can also check out the Toyota Enthusiast group. That's also on Facebook. Links are in the video description. Search the boards, join up, post your questions. The fine folks there, myself included, will be happy to answer any questions you have in a timely manner. Don't forget the medical bill donation and the social media following links. Check out the video description as well for those. Please consider following or donating. Any amount helps out, and as Game to the Grave would say, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Now we're going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy, reminding you guys to be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. And as Eric O would say, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care. See you all for the next video. Until then, have yourselves a good rest of your day, evening, whatever time of the day this is for you. Have a good one.